creating a tubular key for a Harley Davidson. He lost the keys on that beautiful Harley. We're gonna decoded the cuts with this. So we figured the cuts for this, and now we're gonna put it on the machine with the
see the thing that bothered me?
jaw. Making this jaw out, put the tubular jaw in all the way to the stopper and lock it in place. I got a blank. I'm gonna put it in. Lock it in place. And we're gonna replace the cutter now. Now we're gonna go and cut the key. The key is ready.
Very cool.
I'm gonna go and test it. You can see the key with the cuts. You even have a little Harley Davidson on it. There you go. You're gonna go back to the bike. Then
There it is.
Yep. There you go.
that locked?
There's the key.